Welcome. Today, we're diving into a simple yet essential feature of Pinterest: saving a pin directly to your profile on a PC. With the recent updates, this process has become even more straightforward. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open your web browser and navigate to Pinterest.com. If you haven't already, log into your account using your credentials. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to explore the pins that catch your eye. Next, find the specific pin you want to save. This could be anything from a stunning recipe to an inspiring DIY project. When you spot it, click on the pin to open it up in full view. This action will give you a closer look at the content and any additional information associated with it. Now, look for the Save button next to the pin. This is where the magic happens. Click on this button, and a drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to choose where to save your pin. In this case, you want to select Profile. This option is perfect for keeping your favorite pins organized and easily accessible. After selecting Profile, you'll see another button labeled Save next to it. Click this button to finalize the saving process. Once you've done that, your pin will be safely stored in your profile for you to revisit anytime. This new update makes it easier than ever to curate your Pinterest experience right from your profile. Whether you're gathering ideas for future projects or simply saving inspiration for later, these steps ensure that your favorite finds are just a click away. So there you have it. Saving a pin to your profile on Pinterest using a PC is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Enjoy exploring and pinning with ease.